Over 60 and noticing names slip away, thoughts slow down, or simple words hide at the wrong moment is deeply unsettling. Many older adults quietly worry about losing independence, confidence, and dignity when memory feels unreliable. Doctors explain that aging brains often struggle because key nutrients decline, not because the brain has stopped trying. Research shows the brain remains responsive well into later life when properly nourished. Choline, a nutrient tied directly to memory signaling, plays a critical role in this process. With the right support, nighttime brain repair and clearer thinking are still possible after 60 for older adults. Staying mentally sharp after 60 becomes easier with the right guidance. Subscribing here keeps trusted, research-based brain health advice within reach. Liking this video helps others find support, and comments build a caring community focused on memory, confidence, and independence through healthy aging together for families navigating later life changes. Item 1. Eggs, especially egg yolks, are one of the most reliable and natural sources of choline, a nutrient the brain uses to create acetylcholine, the chemical messenger responsible for memory, learning, and clear thinking. Doctors explain that acetylcholine levels naturally decline with age, which is why many adults over 60 experience forgetfulness, slower recall, and mental fog. When the brain lacks enough choline, communication between brain cells weakens, making it harder to store and retrieve information, particularly after sleep. Research published in nutrition and neurology journals shows that choline supports the structure of brain cell membranes and helps protect neurons from age-related damage. For older adults, this matters because brain cells become more fragile over time. Egg yolks contain a highly absorbable form of choline, meaning the body can use it efficiently without complex digestion. Some doctors note that this efficiency is especially important for seniors whose digestion may not be as strong as it once was. Eggs also support nighttime brain repair, which is when memory consolidation happens. During sleep, the brain organizes information, strengthens memories, and clears metabolic waste. Studies suggest that adequate choline intake improves this overnight process by ensuring enough acetylcholine is available when the brain is most active behind the scenes. This is why nutrition experts often recommend eggs earlier in the day or with dinner, allowing the brain to use those nutrients during sleep. Concerns about eggs and cholesterol often worry older adults, but modern research has changed this understanding. Large population studies have shown that for most people, moderate egg consumption does not significantly raise heart disease risk. Doctors emphasize that the brain depends on cholesterol to function properly, and egg yolks naturally contain compounds that support both brain structure and signaling. For seniors without specific medical restrictions, eggs are now widely viewed as a brain-supportive food rather than a danger. Egg yolks also provide vitamins like B12 and folate, which work alongside choline to protect memory and nerve function. Low levels of these nutrients are commonly linked to cognitive decline in older age. By supplying multiple brain-supporting compounds in one simple food, eggs offer a practical option for seniors seeking mental clarity. Nutrition specialists frequently describe eggs as one of the most cost-effective tools for maintaining memory, focus, and brain resilience after 60. Another reason doctors highlight eggs for older adults is consistency. Regular intake helps maintain steady choline levels, which supports stable thinking rather than short bursts of clarity. Unlike supplements, eggs provide choline in a food-based form that aligns with how the body naturally processes nutrients. This steady support can be especially valuable for seniors managing gradual memory changes over time. This makes eggs a dependable choice for daily brain nourishment.
Item 2. Wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon provides a meaningful amount of choline, along with omega-3 fatty acids that protect brain cells and support communication between neurons. Doctors explain that this combination is especially important after 60, when brain inflammation and cell membrane breakdown can interfere with memory formation. Choline helps the brain produce acetylcholine, while omega-3s keep brain cells flexible, allowing signals to move smoothly between them during thinking and recall. Research in aging and neurology shows that omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA found in salmon, are a major structural component of the brain. As people age, DHA levels in the brain often decline, which may weaken memory and slow information processing. Nutrition experts note that pairing DHA with choline helps rebuild cell membranes more effectively than either nutrient alone, supporting clearer thinking and stronger memory consolidation overnight. Sleep plays a critical role in how the brain processes and stores information, and salmon supports this nighttime repair cycle. During deep sleep, the brain reorganizes memories and clears inflammatory waste products. Studies suggest omega-3s reduce neuroinflammation, while choline ensures enough acetylcholine is available for memory signaling when the brain is most active behind the scenes. This makes salmon particularly valuable for older adults who wake up mentally foggy. Doctors recommend wild-caught salmon rather than farmed varieties because it contains higher levels of omega-3s and fewer inflammatory fats. Wild salmon also provides natural vitamin D, which supports nerve health and brain resilience. Low vitamin D levels are common in seniors and have been linked in studies to cognitive decline and slower reaction times, making salmon a multi-benefit food for aging brains. Another reason nutrition specialists highlight salmon is its impact on blood flow to the brain. Omega-3s help keep blood vessels flexible, supporting steady oxygen and nutrient delivery. Poor circulation can worsen memory problems in older adults, even when no major disease is present. By improving vascular function, salmon indirectly supports sharper focus. Concerns about mercury sometimes worry seniors, but doctors explain that salmon is generally low in mercury compared to larger predatory fish. This makes it safer for regular consumption, especially when portions are moderate. Research consistently shows the cognitive benefits of salmon outweigh potential risks for most older adults. Salmon also provides high-quality protein, which helps preserve muscle and supports neurotransmitter production. Amino acids from protein are used to build brain chemicals involved in attention and mood. When combined with choline and omega-3s, this creates a strong nutritional foundation for memory support. For adults over 60, nutrition experts describe wild-caught salmon as one of the most complete brain-supportive foods available. Its ability to reduce inflammation, strengthen brain cell structure, and improve communication between neurons helps maintain memory and focus as the brain ages naturally. Item 3. Beef liver. Use in small, controlled amounts. Beef liver is one of the most concentrated natural sources of choline, a nutrient the aging brain urgently needs. Doctors explain that choline supports acetylcholine production, which directly affects memory and learning. After 60, low acetylcholine levels are commonly linked to confusion, forgetfulness, and slower mental processing in older adults.
Nutrition researchers note that beef liver provides choline in a highly bioavailable form, meaning the body absorbs it efficiently. This matters for seniors whose digestion may be weaker. Studies associate adequate choline intake with improved verbal memory and better cognitive performance in older populations over time, according to medical literature. However, doctors strongly advise moderation with beef liver, especially after 60. Because it is so nutrient-dense, small portions deliver powerful effects. Excess intake may overload the body with vitamin A or cholesterol, potentially stressing the liver and digestive system in sensitive older adults over long periods of frequent consumption. Medical experts explain that the brain benefits from liver's choline without requiring large amounts. Even modest servings can support neurotransmitter production and brain tissue repair. This balance is especially important for seniors managing multiple health conditions, where excess nutrients may do more harm than benefit, according to clinical nutrition guidance. Beef liver also contains iron, vitamin B12, and folate, nutrients closely tied to brain oxygen delivery and nerve protection. Deficiencies in these are common in older adults and are linked in studies to fatigue, brain fog, and memory decline that worsens over time, especially with advancing age and chronic illness. Doctors cautioned that liver should be treated as a therapeutic food rather than a daily staple. Used occasionally, it can sharpen thinking and improve mental clarity. Overuse, however, may trigger digestive discomfort or metabolic strain, particularly in seniors with slower detoxification systems and reduced liver enzyme efficiency over time naturally. Research comparing whole food sources of choline shows liver ranks among the highest, but experts emphasize safety. Nutrition guidelines often recommend spacing intake rather than frequent use. This approach allows the brain to benefit while giving the body time to process its dense nutrient load without unnecessary physiological stress responses. For older adults concerned about memory decline, beef liver can act as a nutritional tool. Doctors note improvements are often gradual, not instant. Consistency with moderation supports better mental energy, clearer recall, and stronger cognitive resilience without overwhelming aging systems that require gentler nutritional support over later decades of life. When used carefully, beef liver fits into doctor-recommended strategies for protecting brain function after 60. Its strength lies in precision, not quantity. Seniors who respect portion guidance can gain memory support while minimizing risk, preserving mental clarity and confidence as the brain continues to age naturally with passing years ahead.